Good evening, children. Today we are going to discuss Grade 10 Social Science Economics, Chapter 1 Development. First of all, let us know about the word development, right? Every one of us, we have many aspirations and goals, and we always think about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. And when we achieve these goals, that is the development for us. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. This is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make a beginning of understanding development. Now let us learn the definition of development. Development is a positive growth or change in economical, social, and political aspects of a country. Two aspects of development are: first one, economic development or rise in income of the people. Economic development or rise in income of the people. Second one, social development, which includes education, health, and public services. Now coming to the first topic, children, that is what development promises different people, different goals. Now here in table 1.1, development goals of different categories of persons is given. Let us go through this table, children. For better understanding of development, this table gives many examples. First one, landless rural laborers. What is his development goal? More days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination, and they too can become leaders in the village. And coming to the next person, prosperous farmers from Punjab. What is their aspiration? Assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hard working and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad. Next, coming to the farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. He doesn't have any irrigation facilities. So what will be his aspiration? Good rains so that he can grow more crops and get good income. Next, a rural woman from a land-owning family. What will be her aspiration? Equal treatment along with her husband in the family. She doesn't want any discrimination. Next, urban unemployed youth. Good job. Next, a boy from a rich urban family going abroad for higher studies. A girl from a rich urban family. She gets as much freedom as her brother and able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. Here what happens that in a family, if a boy child and a girl child is there, here both they don't have the same freedom. Like boys have the more freedom. So what the girl want, that she should also get the same freedom how her brother is enjoying. Now coming to an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Actually, what Adivasi his aspiration is that he doesn't want that a dam should be built in the Narmada Valley, because if the dam is built, he will be dislocated from that place. So in this way, what we have understood by going through this table is all the people will not have the same notion of development. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most most important for them. So in fact, at times two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. So two things are quite clear. One is different persons can have different developmental goals, and other one is what may be development for one may not be the development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. Like just now we have gone through that example, Narmada Valley. What if dam is built, that is development for the country, but that is going to be destructive for the Adivasi people who are living in that place. Now the next topic is income and other goals. So income and other goals. Here obviously every one of us want more income. But income is the only goal for us. Can we lead a happy life by having only income? No. Along with income, we need some other things also. So besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. They resent discrimination, and all these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, there may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it in one factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things mentioned in the table. So it is not obvious that like if we have only money we can enjoy our life. It's not like that. Okay, we need some other things also. Like suppose our friends are very important in our life. Now coming to the one more principle. When coming to the principles of development, we have 3 principles of development. So first one, we have learned that different people can have different developmental goals. Second one, what may be development for one may not be the development for the other. It may even be the destructive for the others. And third one is, for development, people look at mix of goals. So what is this mix of goals? Mix of goals means nothing. Apart from income, along with income, we need some other aspects also in our life to lead a happy life. Those are like we need respect in the society. We need security. We don't want any discrimination. We want pollution-free environment. So these are all some other things along with the income needed to lead a good life. So the next topics is national development, children. So what is national development? National development is a term which includes improvement in living standard of the people, increase in per capita income, providing social amenities like education, medical care, social services, etc. to the citizens of the country. This is called as a national income. So this is about today's class, children. So in the next class we are going to discuss some more topics. Thank you.